Welcome to Review and Adventure Hub. In today's video, we bring you the unboxing and review of an exquisite collection of luxury condiment sets and a 6-piece canister set that combines functionality and style for your kitchen, dining table, or office space. These sets feature a stunning marble texture in black and gold, offering a retro yet elegant touch to your space. Let's dive into the details of what makes these sets a must-have for every home. The packaging is impeccable, ensuring that each piece arrives in pristine condition. The jars and stands are securely placed to prevent damage during transit. Upon unboxing, the quality of the materials and the attention to detail in the design are immediately apparent. Six-piece canister set. This set includes 3 medium spice jars and 3 large spice jars. All jars feature airtight plastic lids with a beautiful marble texture, black and gold. Sturdy golden stainless steel stand for a luxurious touch. Material: glass and metal with food-grade safety. Perfect for storing coffee, tea, sugar, snacks, and condiments while keeping them fresh and protected. The black and gold marble texture adds a sophisticated and retro feel to your kitchen or dining table. Compact yet spacious designs maximize countertop or dining table space. The stainless steel golden stands keep everything organized and within reach. Made from high-quality glass and metal, ensuring durability and safety for storing food. Airtight lids with silicone seals keep contents fresh and protected from dust, moisture, and insects. Store condiments, spices, tea, coffee, sugar, snacks, or any other essentials. Suitable for kitchens, dining tables, offices, or even as a gift. Smooth surfaces make cleaning a breeze. Hand wash recommended for longevity. This is 4-piece condiment set. This set includes 2 salt and pepper containers and 2 oil and vinegar bottles. Metal and plastic stand for stability and elegance. This is 8-piece condiment set. This set includes 5 small spice jars, 3 big spice jars. Airtight plastic lids with marble texture, black and gold. Stainless steel golden stand for easy organization and display. Combines practicality with a sleek decorative style. This is 2-piece condiment set. This set includes salt and pepper containers. Metal and plastic stand for convenient use and storage. The packaging is impeccable, ensuring that each piece arrives in pristine condition. The jars and stands are securely placed to prevent damage during transit. Upon unboxing, the quality of the materials and the attention to detail in the design are immediately apparent. The Luxury Condiment Sets and 6-piece Canister Set are not just storage solutions. They're statement pieces for your home. With their blend of style, practicality, and quality, these sets are worth the investment. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, decorating your dining table, or looking for a unique gift, these products deliver on all fronts. Thank you for joining us on this unboxing and review of the Luxury Condiment Sets and 6-piece Canister Set. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Review and Adventure Hub. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews. See you in the next video.